Got my hands on an LG G5. Let's jump in and assess the build quality through a series of relatively logical durability tests. This phone is definitely unique. The battery has a little button near the bottom that ejects the cartridge out of the phone. You can also detach the battery from the base of the cartridge just by pulling on it. Apparently you can also add other toys to the end of the phone as well, like a camera module. Kinda reminds me of those old school Game Boy accessories. The LG G5 has a screen protector pre-installed, so I'll pull that off before we jump into the good stuff. I have a series of picks with different tips on them, and they allow me to see where the hardness of the screen falls on Mohs scale of hardness. Notice how thin the glass is though. You can see the pressure of my pick against the LCD. It's probably good for the cell phone weight and cost management, but it does not have a very quality feel to it, nor will it protect the LCD very well if it's dropped. The LG G5 has Gorilla Glass 4, so it doesn't scratch until level 6, and then a deeper scratch with the 7th pick, which is on par with other smartphones these days. The camera lens is made of glass, which is fantastic considering they have more than the usual amount of cameras back here. One is a normal camera, and the other is a super wide angle lens, not as wide as a GoPro, but still wider than any other cell phone. Either way, it's protected with glass and not plastic, which is a good thing. The fingerprint scanner and power buttons are made of plastic as well as the back housing. This is not a premium feeling phone by any means. I tried scratching up the fingerprint scanner to see if it would still work after heavy abuse, and surprisingly, it worked just fine. Recognized my finger and would unlock the phone. I'd give that a thumbs up for sure. Here's the burn test. This is another phone with an IPS LCD display, very similar to the iPhone SE that I tested earlier today. The iPhone's pixels turned off after about 16 seconds of flame. The LG G5 pixels turned off after only 3 seconds, then burned permanently and left a white mark. Having a thicker glass like the iPhone and Samsung's would protect the LCD better and give it a more premium feel. You can even see the pressure of my finger against the LCD during normal use. Now when I first got this phone, I thought for sure that the end cartridge would snap off like a piece of chocolate during the bend test. You can see how wiggly it is with just my fingertips. With a full-on bend in progress, the end piece will flex in both directions, like a $680 Pez dispenser, but amazingly it does not snap off. I don't know what kind of black magic they used to secure it in place, but the phone still functions 100% and passes the bend test. This is my 19th smartphone durability test. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of my future videos. It's totally free, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you around.